In this video, let us understand how to make post office online document and money transfer. It's a new way of transfer money and the document. So in the tradition, we have to send the document from one place to other place. But whereas in online, we don't need to send, but you can send via internet. So here is a web application project. We'll show you the demo in asp.NET with C# and the backend SQL Server. So let us understand the project. So we know like the post office works collecting the manual letters and the money order, and then the same will be sent to the destination post office where that will be distributed. But here the idea is, instead of sending the physical document to the destination, so whatever the documents collected will be scanned or will be collected in the form of PDF format, and the same will be sent online. So therefore it will be distributed or printed and then distributed. So it's an online post office, so you can have admin module and the post office module. So each post office will provide a login, so therefore employees can log in, they can do the work. So now here what are the things we can do? We can enter the state details, district details, then post office details, then employee details. Then you can allocate the employee to the post office. So here the employee can log in. So they can go to main page. So here they can collect the document. So collect a document. So document will be collected in a PDF format. So therefore, that same can be sent to the destination post office. There will be get printed and then delivered to the corresponding applicant. And same you can send money. So the money will be collected from the customer and that is sent by online to the next post office, to which post office they need to send, and there it will be dispersed. So and we'll get all the list and required reports here. So same will be get from the admin also. So we'll see that how the whole concept works. I'll show the demo now. So here we have Visual Studio. So these are the files which are using in the project. This is online post office, and this is a Server Explorer. You can see the database connections here, and you expand, you will have a table. So these are the tables which are using in this particular project. So default is the first page. So this is a default.axpx. Right. So once you run this, you can see that the ASP.NET server is running, or you can just straight away click on IS Express. So once it's running, you can see that it will come to main page. So here we can log into admin. So this is admin, then so here are the options. So if you enter the state, so you can see the list here. So these are the state names. You can enter the state name and the corresponding details. Same with district names. So here you can see that all the names will come over here, and the corresponding district and the details of that particular district we need to enter. We can see the list here. Next, individual post office details we need to enter here, and we can select the state, then district will be automatically pop up here. Now question is how to do this. Okay, so for this you have to go to admincenters.axpx. So here I'll show the code. So this is a button, one click. So here is drop down list, one selected, index change. That means whenever the state index changed, so what we'll do is we select district name from the district name tab, where state name is equal to drop down list one.text. So which state you have selected, then we select all the district name from the particular state, and then we transfer to the drop down list 2. That's how we'll pop up the data in the drop down list 2 here. Right. So then we'll move on. Then qualification profession for the employee. So if you go to employee details, so here you can allocate the employee to the particular branch, which branch is working. So for that branch you can link. So here we have already 2 employees, so therefore that will do the job now. So what we'll do is I'll copy the main address. I'll take to one more tab. Now we can go as a post office. Then here we can log in with post office ID, other employee ID, and here you need to type the branch code. So which branch he belongs to. So it logs in. Now once the customer comes, want to send a document, so if you click this, So from which customer you collecting that? So let's say Rajesh. So you can take the address and all. So then to whom you want to send? So this is some Naveen. So this was the another area. Let's say Jayanagar. Right. So then this customer mobile number and the next customer mobile number. So here is a 2 branch. For which branch you want to send the document? So presently we are at 104, so it's Ampi Nagar, and then we want to send to this particular branch. Then you can choose the PDF file here. Okay, so I'll check the PDF file. Then how many pages to print? So based on that we can charge. Therefore totally 6 pages. Then we can send this. So you can see that document 104 and it will send to the destination. So if I say list, so you can see that so test 1 is sent to the thing. So same if I click receive document, for this post office there is nothing is received, therefore nothing is there. Now what we can do is we can log out. Then we can log in as a Jayanagar 1. Then that particular post office code. Now if I go to receive document, now you can see that here test 1. So there's 6 pages, what is given, it is there here. Now what they need to do is, so after receiving that, they need to take the printout of this, and whatever the address they specified, for that they need to deliver. So once they deliver, so that will come to issued. Like same you can collect the money, and we have a corresponding list, and then received money, and then you can send. Then you have a branch list. What are the branches, post office branches, that list will come. So you can also search the post office. So these are the options which are provided in the post office. So a user also can sign up, even in case he want, he can also send the money and the document to the respective post office. There they need to receive and then they can deliver. So this is the concept of online post office. Here online document and money order distribution system for post office. So this is a totally new idea. So it can be implemented, and at college level it is a good project. So if you think it's good, then probably you need to plan and then you have to complete this project. So here you can write this project in ASP.NET or in PHP or in Python. So all options are open. So if you have any doubts or if you're looking something else, so please write to us. Let me know what you're thinking. Thank you very much.